In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import an Elementor template kit into your WordPress site. Let's dive right in and get your site looking fabulous with just a few simple steps. To start, you'll need to log into your WordPress dashboard. Once you're in, direct your attention to the left-hand side where you will see a menu. From there, navigate to Templates, and under that, you'll find Website Templates. Alternatively, you can access the Elementor editor directly. Just click on the folder icon, which is usually located near the bottom left of your screen, and then open the Kit Library tab. Now that you're in the right place, it's time to start browsing through the available template kits. Take your time to explore the options available. When you find a kit that piques your interest, simply click on View Demo. This feature will give you a closer look at what the template has to offer. You'll get an overview that allows you to inspect the included pages, headers, styles, and blocks. It's an excellent opportunity to ensure that the template aligns with the vision you have for your website. Once you've decided on a template kit, you'll want to apply it to your site. Click on the Apply button, and you'll see a couple of options. You can choose Apply All to import everything in the kit. This includes the entire set of content, templates, and site settings, seamlessly integrating the design into your existing website. Alternatively, if you prefer a more customized approach and wish to select specific elements to import, you can click on Customize. This will allow you to pick and choose the elements you want, giving you greater control over the final look. During this process, you might encounter a prompt about enabling unfiltered file uploads. This is particularly important if your template kit includes SVG files, which are scalable vector graphics commonly used for logos and icons. By enabling this, you ensure that SVG files are imported correctly and safely onto your site, maintaining the quality and appearance of your visuals. After making your selection, it's time to sit back and let Elementor do its magic. The import process might take a little while, so be patient. Once the import is complete, you will see a notification letting you know that everything is done. At this point, simply click Close to finalize the process, and there you have it. Your new Elementor template kit is successfully imported, ready to make your website look polished and professional. Remember, playing around with different templates and customizing them can be a powerful way to create a unique and engaging online presence. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Happy designing,